Hello friends, welcome to a new chapter, new lesson today. Now let us learn about pulmonary edema. Actually this pulmonary edema is medicine topic. Here I am going to show you the pictures of pulmonary edema. So I am not going into any details. I am just going into the details of which are necessary for pathology. That's it. So in a clinical setting, pulmonary edema can be due to anything. Okay. What is pulmonary edema? So in the alveoli, there is lots of water which has been accumulated. Not water actually, it is fluid. It can be transudate. Okay, any fluid which has been accumulated in the lungs. Okay, here there is increased hydrostatic pressure in the sites. That is in the alveoli and everywhere there will be increased hydrostatic pressure. So there is increased fluid accumulation. And this fluid accumulation is more common in the lower lobes of the lung than in the upper lobes. Most common in the lower lobes than in the upper lobes. Okay, that is the reason all the signs of pulmonary edema and congestion are more common in the lower lobe. Okay, so okay, so let me show you the pictures of it so that it becomes easier. So this is the picture of pulmonary edema. Okay, so first picture, if you see here, this picture, if you see, this is the picture of cardiogenic edema, that is showing left heart failure, and there is increased interstitial markings. See, all these pulmonary markings are increased here. Okay, and so these are seen, infiltrates are seen, and these interstitial margins are seen. Has the patient progressed here, this patient has diffuse infiltrates. You see lots of infiltrates here, and there is edema, congestion all over the lung field. Here the whole lung field is involved. Okay, even here the heart has been enlarged, right? So this is some cardiomegaly is present. So it can be due to congestive heart failure, it can be due to cardiomyopathy. The reason can be present anything. Okay, so these are the two radiographs, that is pulmonary edema radiographs. Then we have the next picture which shows the histological feature. Here if you see in this histological feature, this is pulmonary edema. See, I have already shown you the normal alveoli, but here see the alveoli here. I'll just show you the normal alveoli so that it becomes easier for you also. Just a minute. Yeah, this is the normal alveoli, right, which is so clear. Okay, all this is normally air, right, and these are the pneumocytes. Okay, it's very clear. Now see the alveoli which is present in pulmonary edema. In pulmonary edema, the alveoli is filled with fluid. See, here there are some fluids which is accumulated here, right? Just a minute, it's not clear, right? Let me zoom it, it becomes clear. Right, now it's fine, right? Here if you see the alveoli, these alveoli are now filled with some pink material. What is this pink material? It's obviously fluid. Okay, so the alveolar wall, if you see here, there are many cells, right? It is congested. They are filled with red blood cells. All these are red colored cells. So these are filled with red blood cells. Okay, so let me just write it. So all these, if you see all these here, you can see here also. See, all these red colored cells are nothing but it is filled with RBC. Okay, all this is fluid. Okay, and there are some cells. See these cells. Okay, what are these cells? These have brown colored granules. What are these brown colored granules? These are hemosiderin granules, and these are actually macrophages. The hemosiderin containing macrophages seen in congestive heart failure are called as, there is a name given for them, that is heart failure cells. Remember, heart failure cells are not present in heart. They are present in lungs, and they are hemosiderin laden macrophages. So this is about pulmonary edema. Okay, I don't have a picture, but on long standing cases, if you see, on long standing cases, the pulmonary congestion will increase and it undergoes fibrosis, and there is thickening of alveolar wall occurs, and it leads to one type of lungs which were named as soggy lungs, which have a brown induration. Soggy lungs with brown induration is seen in pulmonary edema. So this is about pulmonary edema. Thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.